eyes on it, and Wild Bill's got his eyes on the bowling alley. Bill, have you learned how to throw a perfect strike yet?
Well, I haven't learned how yet, but oh, here he goes.
Here comes Paula Caesar.
Whoa! Who was that we just saw bowling?
That was Paula Caesar, one of our managers at Beacon Bowl in Naples. She's also bowling this Christmas 24 hours for Toys for Tots, so she's one of our best bowlers. She does great trick shots.
We're going to see some of her trick shots coming up here in just a few moments. We'll watch her bowl again. How long has she been bowling? We're here at Bowland, by the way. Wild Bill here with Kevin, doing a little commentary. I feel like we're on the wide world of Wild Bill's Florida Roadshow Sports.
That's right. You never know where you're going to end up with you, Bill. I'll tell you, Paula's been bowling her whole life. She's the daughter of one of our managers at Woodside Lanes down in Naples as well. So it's a family operation, and it's been a part of her family her whole life.
And we're back here looking at the pin setter, which used to be done by kids back in the 50s.
That's right.
Bowling began. Bowling came over from Germany. And now here in the good old US of A. What does this machine do?
This machine resets all the pins for you. It also keeps score as well. And what it does is you see it sweeps everything down. The pins get set back up and ready for reset. It also takes the ball, runs it right up the rack, and sends it back out to the lanes. There's a little camera up there that you can't see that notices what number of pins are knocked down and sends that up to the scoring and keeps track of everything automatically for you. And like we had said, this was designed in the 50s with Otis Elevator Company and Cubic AMF, a worldwide bowling company, and they built these together to help replace the young kids that were called pin boys that worked in the bowling centers, basically, like you said, since bowling began.
They must have been like monkeys running around.
Yeah, I'd imagine it was an adventurous job, that's for sure. You probably had to be agile and quick on your toes, otherwise you might lose one or two.
How many lanes do we have here at Bowland in Cape Coral?
This is a 33-lane center. We have 32 lanes, and our last one is a demo lane that we do some special features and functions on with different ways you can set out the oil on these lanes. We have a machine out there that lays out the oil in different patterns. You can think of it like a golf course. The oil will be laid out like there are sand traps and roughs on a golf course, and you've got to find your way through it to get the best path for a strike.
And you have a machine that does that. It looks sort of like a bowling Zamboni.
That's exactly right.
We'll take a look at that in just a few minutes. But let's see if Paula is ready to bowl again. Oh, she's gone. Can you get her out there? I see her. Hey, Paula! Here she comes. Bowl another one, sister. And here she comes.
Oh, that looks good. That looks good. Looks good.
And a strike. Very good. Very good. Behind the scenes at Bowland this morning on Wild Bill's Florida Roadshow. Hey, Miss Sabrina.